Online training is not a webinar. We were astonished ourselves how effectively online training can work if communication works well. Online training are a reality now. They will be a good supplement for on-site trainings. Analyzing production and quality data can be challenging. Having worked in the industry in product development and as head of production, I realized the importance of statistical methods to support stable processes. This is why I set up a consulting firm to help customers improve their production processes on site. With process and quality data, analysis know-how, industry experience, plus the customer-specific process experience, we can jointly improve and implement much better and more stable production processes as a joint team effort. I not only consult on these methods, but I also train customers to enable them using these methods themselves. camLine as a software company has set up the camLine Academy to enable trainings and consulting for customers. camLine collaborates with external consultants like myself who come from various industries to incorporate a broad range of industry experiences. The focus is on method trainings for process improvements and how to use these applications like Cornerstone and Line Workspace effectively. Specifically, my current training scope is statistical process control, design of experiments, Cornerstone fundamentals combined with data analysis and measurement system analysis. Many people may be skeptical about online trainings, but I can assure you that online trainings have the same learning goals and the same content as on-site trainings. The challenge is really to keep up the interaction with the trainees. Unlike a webinar, we need to see each other, to get instant visual feedback and work together on exercises. It's real teamwork. During trainings, I provide the experience that boring statistics can be fun if applied to relevant problems. I believe in the importance of using relevant use cases and let the trainees solve these cases themselves. Real-life problems and examples enhance my trainings. It's really helpful to adapt relevant examples to the needs of the trainees. There's a true value in interacting with the trainees rather than just working on PowerPoint slides. The right mixture of slides and flip charts like these, exercises and some background information makes a difference. Ultimately, the training is a show. It should entertain. I'm Marten Walther, CEO at camLine Academy.